Hi everyone, my name is Mon Antoniera, but most people know me as Supermon. I am a social media strategist, brand consultant, and philanthropist with over 19 years of experience in digital marketing. I've been featured in outlets like the LA Tribune, Fox, and MarketWatch. But my real passion is helping brands grow through strategy, storytelling, and results that actually matter. I was born and raised on a humble island in the Philippines, and my journey started with one goal: to give my parents a better life. Growing up with very little taught me perseverance, humility, and compassion, values that still guide everything I do today. Professionally, I help businesses build strong online communities, increase visibility, and turn attention into revenue. But success for me isn't just about business. In 2018, I founded the ERA Scholarship Program to support children in need. And in 2023, I launched the Antonio Foundation for elderly people in honor of my late father. I believe anyone can rise, no matter where they start. As I always say, fight for your success. Put in the sweat equity and never stop dreaming. Thank you.